IKEA LILLNAGGEN Squeegee. IKEA LILLNAGGEN Shower Squeegee product dimensions. Length 20 centimeters. Width 25.5 centimeters. IKEA LILLNAGGEN materials. Handle, recycled PP plastic. Blade, synthetic rubber, aluminum, anodized. Cleaning is more fun when you have the right tools. This handy helper is perfect for wiping water off walls, cleaning windows, or glass doors in the shower. For the price, you just can't beat these for a glass shower. We usually buy 5 or so of them at a time. Works very well. If you're looking for a glass cleaner or shower cleaner, you should try this one IKEA product. Or only 99 cents, you get a nice and durable shower squeegee.